Are your beauty ads failing to grab attention? You're not alone. Many companies struggle with high production costs and low engagement. We have the perfect solution. Introducing AI-UGC videos designed specifically for beauty and cosmetics brands. Imagine creating stunning video content in just minutes. Save up to 75% on costs while scaling production effortlessly. Showcase skincare routines and flawless makeup applications that captivate your audience. Experience higher conversions and better return on ad spend. What sets us apart? Our AI technology allows for swift production across multiple platforms without the hassle of traditional shoots. Don't miss out. Join the revolution in beauty marketing. Book your demo today and start creating high-impact videos that drive sales.